Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Create to Inspire. Today I am going to show you all how to make a perfect marigold flower and make a garland out of it in a easy way which can be used in multiple ways. So let's get started. I am going to use this plastic book cover to make the flowers. I am using this cup for the measurement. You can take any object according to the size of the flower you need. Now I am folding the cover 10 times. If you want the flower to be more bushy, you can fold more. Now fold it again and mark the circles using the cup with the help of a sketch pen. Now cut them around the markings and staple it in the middle. You can use plastic cover of any color according to your choice. Now take the circle cutout and cut it as shown with the help of a proper scissor. Once cutting is done, separate each layer slowly so that you will get a perfect marigold flower. If you are new to my channel, watch my other videos as well, and if you find it useful, consider subscribing and click on the bell icon for getting notified about my new videos. Next you need green color straws. If you don't have green color straws, you can paint any color straws with green color as I am doing here. I am using sap green acrylic color to paint them. Paint 2 coats of paint if the first coat is very light. As many of my subscribers requested me to make videos in Telugu, I have started a new channel where I post videos in Telugu in different categories. I leave the link in the description box below. Check it out if you are interested. Now cut the straws into pieces. I am measuring 3 cm of length and making it into pieces. To make a garland out of them, I am using this embroidery thread. Insert the thread into the needle and use it. First insert 2 pieces of straws and start adding flowers, and add 1 piece of straw in the middle of every flower. You can make the garland using multiple colors according to your wish. It looks very beautiful if you mix orange and yellow together, which gives a very natural look. In the end, again add 2 straws and tie them together as shown so that it will be easy to hang them anywhere. Repeat the same on the other side too so that you can use it as a garland. And this is how it looks finally. You can use this in many ways. You can use it for any kind of decorations which replaces natural flowers. You can use it as a garland for God and also as a toran for puja room or any doors, which adds a colorful look. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.